The athlete plates are visual tools designed to help athletes adjust their nutrition to variable training loads. They were developed as a collaboration between the University of Colorado and the US Olympic Committee's Food and Nutrition Services. A validation of the education tool was recently published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism. This study involved 12 registered dietitians, 10 who were female, and all who were either qualified sports dietitians or on the pathway to sports nutrition specialisation. Initially, these dietitians were exposed to the education materials. The athlete's plate divides training into 3 different intensities: easy, moderate, and hard training. The registered dietitians in this study were asked to enter a dining hall and prepare meals that equated to one of these training intensities, either a breakfast, lunch, or dinner, for 2 hypothetical athletes, a 60-kilo female or a 75-kilo male. In the end, each of these registered dietitians produced 18 different meals, which equated to 9 meals for the female and 9 meals for the male athlete, and easy, moderate, or hard training intensity for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Once these meals were prepared, the 3 meals that corresponded to a particular subject's training intensity, in this case a 60-kilo female on easy training, were added together from their nutritional analysis. This equated to 77% of the total intake, with a further 23% added for snacks. This total was then compared to evidence-based nutritional recommendations for energy, carbohydrate, protein, fat, and fibre. Here we have the results of the average analysis from all of the meals that were prepared, and we can see that energy, carbohydrate, and fat were all within the recommendations. Protein was elevated, and one of the training modalities, the easy day, was also high for fibre. If we look closely at the protein intake, we can see that the meals that were typically prepared at the lunch and the dinner were larger protein-containing meals, and that led to the total protein intake that was above the recommendation. The take-home messages from this study were that the plate is a valid way to educate on increasing energy, carbohydrate, and fat with increasing training loads, that reduction in the animal protein of the resource might be useful. And if you're interested in getting your hands on these resources, they are available via that website. For more information on this and other recent advances in sports nutrition, please visit our website.